Dr. Mihira, about Mrs. Henderson's visit today, I've noted down the usual observations. She mentioned feeling a bit out of sorts. Right, Sarah? I've seen her file. What's the plan for her? We're trying to manage her fluid balance, so the diuretics are key. It's the consistency of recording her weight that I'm worried about. The last few entries are a bit erratic. I see. She keeps saying she feels like her ankles are puffy. I've tried to explain it's likely just a bit of swelling from being on her feet, but her son Peter thinks it's a symptom of her heart condition. He's quite insistent, and it's making her anxious. I documented that. That's a good point to capture. Her son's concern, I mean. It's not clinically significant yet, but it's a social factor we need to consider. We need to reassure her, of course, but the key is to get that weight data consistently. That's the real measure of her fluid retention. Her husband, David, mentioned she's also getting a bit short of breath on exertion, but she thinks that's just her asthma acting up. Yes, Dr. Mihira, I spoke to David too. He's the one who does most of the cooking. He's worried about her salt intake. He's quite diligent about following our diet sheets. Good. So, her fluid retention is our primary concern for now, and the best way to track that is with reliable daily weights. That's a directive for your notes on the next visit.
Mihira, I truly appreciate you sharing your feelings with me. It's completely normal to feel this way, especially when you're facing something new like surgery. I want to reassure you that hernia repair is a very common and safe surgical procedure. We have an incredibly expert surgical team here at the hospital, and they perform these operations frequently with excellent outcomes. Please know that you'll have a lot of support available to you, not just during the surgery itself, but also before and after it. We'll make sure you're comfortable and well cared for every step of the way. Now, part of ensuring everything goes as smoothly and safely as possible involves what we call a preoperative assessment. The main purpose of this assessment is to ensure that you are in the best possible health and are fit for surgery. It helps us to identify any potential risks that might be unique to you, like if you have any other health conditions we need to be aware of. By gathering all this information, we can then plan for the safest procedure possible, tailored specifically to your individual health needs. Does that make sense? Do you have any other concerns or questions about the surgery itself or this initial assessment that we could talk about?